Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I'm at the Clearwater Lake Recreational Area in Paisley, Florida. I'm at campsite 22 in Ocala National Forest, and I'm going to be camping here for the next 3 days.
The recreational area has 2 camp loops and 1 day use area. Other than vehicular traffic, the recreational area also gets sandhill crane and white-tailed deer traffic.
Site 22 is great because it's not too far from the bathhouse and we have an easy access to the lake.
In the day use area, you can swim or canoe in the lake.
There's actually a trail that goes around the lake, so that's where we're going to go now.
The trail around the Clearwater Lake is marked with yellow blazes, and it's about 1.5 miles long.
The trail generally stays away from the lake, but sometimes it gets close and you can get a clear view of the Clearwater Lake.
For dinner that first night, we had some stir-fried veggies, naan, and some stuffed mushrooms.
Hey guys, it's day 2 of our camping trip. We're on the lake right now. It's a cool, breezy day. It's a perfect day for a hike. So today's plan is the Buck Lake Trail.
The Buck Lake Trailhead is about 18 minutes away from the Clearwater Lake Recreational Area. The trail is right off of the SR-19 and a little bit past Alexander Springs. We went into Buck Lake without enough info because we couldn't really find enough. We were kind of exploring the trail for ourselves. We learned that the trail intersects with the Florida Trail a lot. After about an hour of hiking on the Florida Trail, we reached the Buck Lake Trail, which is marked with blue blazes. From that point, we reached the lake in about 15 minutes. The Buck Lake is a large and beautiful lake, and there's a picnic area, so we decided to stay there and eat our lunch.
So you get to this area where there's a lot of greenery, trees, picnic benches, a fire pit, and even some grills. And there's a water pump that actually works.
After eating our lunch, we went around the lake and then headed to the campsite. For dinner on day 2, we had some roasted corn, naan, beans, and rice. We woke up on day 3 to a breezy, foggy day, and we were actually woken up by the calls of the sandhill crane.
Hey guys, it's day 3 of our camping trip. Right now I'm standing on the trailhead of the Florida Trail, which is right outside the Clearwater Lake Recreational Area. This site is really historic because this is actually where the Florida Trail started. Today's plan is just to explore the Florida Trail, and there's no destination in mind. We're just going to be exploring randomly to see what we can find.
From the campground, you can go south, or you can go north to Alexander Springs. We went south first. To the south is thick, lush forest, and to the north is more of an open pine area. We saw tons of birds, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the bird life. For dinner that night, we had our take on a traditional Indian recipe called khichdi, roasted potatoes, and some oranges that we found on the trail. On that cold evening, we enjoyed the rest of our night around the campfire.
We had a lot of fun camping here at the Clearwater Lake Campground, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.